Guys, I just opened a faulty battery pack from Tesla, the newest kind, with MT60 connector, and I understand what is happening here, particularly in this pack. Probably as a result of crash, these small stripes inside of battery pack here, they went off, all three, and then the voltage getting too high on this contact, so it's short-cutted. It's get burned marks. So this big stripe doesn't hold for this amperage without internal stripes. You see, this one is left. It was okay. This connector to cable was working, but on the other side, contact B10, it went off. It just catched fire, burn it. Like a fuse, you know, this stripe was working like a fuse. This one, and on opposite side, on this side, it went off as well. You see, it's not connected anymore. So they went off like fuse. Bang. The BMS is okay. All you have to do to replace the stripes and put it back the right way. I'm not happy with these small stripes, so I think, and I don't like this battery cells from LG M50 LT. You see, it's same LG M50 LT low amperage cells that cause so many trouble in other battery packs from Begode. For RS, Nikola, all two pack configurations doesn't hold. If you have to use high amperage cells on two pack configuration. And these tiny stripes, you see, it doesn't hold for anything, for nothing. It's broke because it's a hole in the middle. You see, and it just punctured, it just went off, bang, bang, bang. And then you can get battery fire. It's obvious, it's simple. You have explanation for this potential fire. So my plan is to build a new pack. I can use this BMS and this contact, everything seems okay. Cables, MOSFETs, everything is fine on this BMS. It's almost new. I think maybe 1 year old. I'll just clean it up and we'll build a new pack with molly cells. Molly cells P42B cells I have. And yeah, this pack will work alone. High amperage molly cells will be good for my custom MTM5 or M3 project or Tesla. Any wheel with 84 voltage will work just fine.